My name is Christian Erin Conada. Just call me Teacher Christy. And I am excited to meet you. And I am from the Philippines. And I am certified through my TFL certificate. And I am a licensed professional teacher, which means I can teach both young learners and adult learners. And I'm here to help you learn English in a fun and easy way. We will play games, sing a song, la 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 la, dance, and practice speaking together. Don't worry, I will help you every step of the way because I believe learning should be enjoyable and meaningful. And I am excited to help you grow in English journey. And welcome to the Going Kong. See you there, Shishay.